Hello, in this tutorial we're going to create a cityscape environment using the Edit Poly modifier, which is a great tool if you want to edit explicit parts of an object. So the first thing we want to do is create a plane. So we draw our plane and set the parameters as required. So we might make this one 200 meters by 200 meters and keep the segments as 20 by 20. So now we want to add the Edit Poly modifier to this plane, so we select that one, and because we're editing the polygons under selection, we choose polygons. So firstly we want to select the polygons which we want to resemble a city like environment as towers. So to do that you click and drag over those blocks like this. Now I want to do this in different places on that plane, so in order to do that without having to deselect the ones already selected, you hold down the control key while clicking and dragging and it lets you select these different ones. So we'll just select a few. There we go. So the first thing we want to do after we've selected our polygons is to inset the polygons, which is to define the space between each one. So we scroll down and select the inset tool. We want to inset by polygon, and then you just up that amount until you think there's enough space defined between each one. So around the 1.2 or 3 mark was good. 1.48, and then we click yes. So with those same selected polygons we want to bevel them, which is to give the edges a structure. So we select the bevel again by polygon and we up that amount, and as you can see it gives them some height, and you can position them inwards or outwards, and in this case we want to position them inwards so they have a podium-like base. So we click OK, and again with those selected polygons we want to extrude them to give our towers height. So we select extrude by polygon and then we up the height until we're happy with the height and click OK. So as you can see, it's a city. This resembles a cityscape environment that you can use for modeling or any other purposes.